Hey, it's 1957 Chevy. Let's check it out. There's already a Griffin under the hood. Thankfully, it's not Peter Griffin. Where's the whoa? Too close. Where's the battery? I don't see no battery. The battery's here somewhere. Or maybe it ain't. Sometimes it's tricky finding the battery on these things, unless you know where they are. I had a car once, the battery was all the way in the back, the engine's all the way in the front. Nice touch, even the inside is red. And then check out the room and back.
All right, man, we'll catch you later. I'll give you a call.
Oh, wow, that is a huge room in the back. That's what the door looks like. Beautiful emblem on it.
Check your tickets. Check your tickets. Check them.
Rock and roll, but you can't see it there. Maybe if I use a lightener in the imaging, I can bring it out. Until the next episode of Willis Talk, stay tuned for this and many, many, many more things.
We'll do an orange ticket in your own.